let's just do a quick check. Y'all see this? My skin is pulling. This wig is not going anywhere. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenos días, buenos noches, whatever the time of day it is. Hello and welcome back to Shantell Styles YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber or a newly returning subscriber, welcome back. What it do, what's poppin'? How are you? I hope you're well. Today's video is actually a wig reinstall of this Alipearl unit. I'll actually link the video, the original video, up above here. It's about a month update and review, and I'm also going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a product review of a new adhesive that I purchased with my hard-earned coins, okay? And I'm really excited to get into this product. The name of the adhesive is called Betterthemelt. It's by a hairstylist based in London, an amazing black woman who is killing the hair game right now, called Hair by Keely. I'll link her Instagram and socials down below in the description box. And it's really just nice to see young entrepreneurs, women of color who are introducing products, making moves within the market, and paving the way for the next generations to come. So without further ado, let's crack on into the video. Kick back, get comfortable, get your favorite snack, get your favorite drink, you know how it goes, and just unwind. Let's get into it.
Here's just a quick look at the wig. It has been worn already, hence why the lace is already cut. I'm just going to go in with my Nutrients wax stick and smooth that over the hairline and also the parting, and then go in with my hot comb just to smooth that area down so that it's nice and fresh.
Okay, so the first product I'm going to go in with is the skin protectant, and then apply skin protector and let it dry until it has a tacky touch. This product is not meant to replace adhesive. Okay, so now I'm wondering, how is this tacky? The English is failing me right now, but I'm assuming that this is almost like, you know, the activator for the lace glue. I'm probably sure it's not, because you can obviously buy the lace glue and lace remover separately, but interesting. I've never used a skin protector, so I'm actually going to see how this goes. I'm quite intrigued. It smells like a very strong glue, and this is just the skin protectant. Interesting. Oh, okay. It's very runny. I mean, it is a liquid at the end of the day, but I'm not finding that I'm having a very clean application with this. Okay, that side was a lot cleaner. So it said wait until that dries. Tacky. To be honest, maybe I did something wrong, or maybe I need to wait a little longer. I'm gonna wait another 20 seconds because I don't really feel like getting tacky. Okay, well, that didn't exactly dry tacky for me, so I'm just gonna proceed to the next step, which is going in with the lace glue. I actually bought the pen. I think it's pretty cool. So I did buy the actual lace glue bottle, and I usually go in with the end of a rat tail comb and just scoop that out and apply that, but I thought, you know what, why use a rat tail comb when there's a tool literally to help with the application. Again, these products smell like a really strong adhesive. Okay, so I'm gonna do what I usually do and just make 3 dots. Have I got to twist this end? Am I missing something?
A few moments later.
Okay, never mind. So I just had to keep twisting it until it essentially came out. And I'm just doing what I usually do, going in, applying my 3 dots, and then smoothing them out. But yeah, this is very tacky. Yeah, this is very tacky. That felt quite interesting. I'm gonna go in now with my edge brush. This is the one that I got from My Shiny Wigs in my last video. I'll link that at the top. It feels like a pretty secure hold already. There's a few little bits of the lace that I obviously missed. I don't think I'll be going in with the applicator. I think I'll probably go in with the back of a comb or something. Let's just go in quickly. Can you see how tacky that is? So first looks at the melt. Can we focus? Hello. There are bits like here, for example, that I didn't quite capture, and I don't think I'll be able to capture them precisely with the pen. So I'm just going to switch to my usual technique, which is using, you know, the back of a comb in order to really capture those parts, or even the bottle. I will say, because this is clear and dries clear, I'm almost a little bit puzzled because it doesn't give me like an indication like Ghost Bond does, that goes from white to clear, to know when to stick it down. And I don't like having to constantly test something to see if it's tacky.
So now I'm just moving on to styling. I wasn't quite sure how I wanted to style this. When am I ever sure? Gosh, day in the life of being Shantell. So I just straightened it, and then afterwards you'll see me go in and add some loose curls.
Okay, so I've just finished straightening the hair. Whoa, this is really tacky. I can feel so much tension on my head right now. Ooh. I'm just gonna go in with a bit of rubbing alcohol and clean off that excess dried glue. This is currently what we're working with. So do you guys see that dark perimeter that I'm talking about? I mean, it's not crazy, but you can definitely see that it's not a smooth finish. So in this case, I'll just add some baby hairs just to kind of help conceal that.
I decided to cut the hair and add some layers just to help frame my face a little better. It also helps the curls to fall nicely.
Okay, so this is now the finished look. I actually went ahead and put some makeup on because I felt cute or whatever, and these lashes are serving. Y'all see these? Y'all see these? So my general conclusion of this wig, I essentially spent £150 only to be able to really wear it 5, pushing 6 times. But to be fair, I am someone that will take off my wig, reapply it. I don't really sleep with my wigs, but with this Betterthemelt adhesive, let's just do a quick check. Y'all see this? My skin is pulling. Like this wig is not going anywhere. This wig is not going anywhere. It's an affordable wig. In terms of the quality, it's more on the cheap side. You know, the discoloration of the lace, Like what is this? And if you go to apply makeup, it's even worse. And you know, the fact that it was curling up, I don't like that for me. I don't want that for y'all. Personally, I've never been the biggest fan of Alipearl, and I mean, this is kind of why, isn't it? But in terms of, you know, getting your money's worth, yeah, absolutely does the job. In terms of longevity, shedding to a minimal, nothing excessive. Lace is somewhat thin enough for you to melt, but I don't know. Or maybe I'm just being a bit hard, but personally, would I buy from them again? I'm not sure. I'd probably look to try and find an alternative option as opposed to buy another wig from them again if this is exactly what I'm going to experience. But I think sometimes I forget, because I'm really into hair, I'm very, very critical. For, you know, the average person that just wants a good wig that's affordable, that does the job, yeah, it's a good wig. Overall, I give this wig like a 6.5, 7 out of 10, so it's kind of high. The rankings are kind of high. It's just the issue with the discoloration of the lace. Like, what are we doing? What's going on, Alipearl? I don't like that for me, and I don't like that for my peoples. So if you guys ever watch this, just make a note of that. Hopefully this review was helpful and gave you a bit of insight into the wig that I purchased. Feel free to comment down below. I'm pretty active in my comments. I do respond to everyone. So yeah, let's talk, let's get into it. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you in my next video.